Bizee LLC tutorial, or how to start an LLC with Bizee. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Bizee to start an LLC. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Bizee, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Bizee, it is a cloud-based business management platform designed to streamline operations and enhance productivity for small to medium-sized businesses, in which it offers a comprehensive suite of tools that caters to various aspects of business management, including accounting, inventory management, customer relationship management, and many more. And with Bizee, users can manage their finances, track inventory levels, and monitor customer interactions in a single user-friendly interface. And now to start using this platform, you could also click the Get Started button on the top right corner or the Login button if you already have an account on Bizee, in which upon clicking on it, you will now be able to be directed on this page right here. And now below here under Entity Type, just click on this top down arrow, click or select LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. And for the state of formation, just proceed by entering here or selecting your city in here. So for instance, I'm going to choose New York. Then below here under Package Comparison, it will show you some of the plan including Silver, Gold, and Platinum, in which it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits included below here. But let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this Gold option. So can you click on it, and upon clicking on it, you will now be able to be directed on this page right here, in which all you need to do is simply enter your company name or LLC name. And now after entering your LLC name, just proceed by clicking the next button below here to proceed. But it will show you on the right side panel all of this overview about your total bill and the list of benefits it included in here. And now after clicking the next button, we will be able to be directed on this page under State Filing Time. From here, you can select either 3 weeks filing time, or if you want for the fast, you could also select this one amounting to $50, but that's just only a 1 business day filing time. But in those options, I'm going to choose this one, which is free, 3 weeks filing time. And upon clicking the next button below here, you will be able to be directed on the next page. And under contact person, all you need to do is to simply enter here your first name, last name, your email address, and also your mobile phone number in here. And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking the next button below here to proceed. Now moving on, aside from that, you're also required to enter here your company address information. And as you can see, you have here a choices either to select a professional business address and virtual mall service, but you need to have or to pay $29 per month. Or alternatively, you could also select your own address in here for free. And in those options, I'm going to select the free option. Then below here, just enter your company address, including the street address, your city, state, zip code, and even the country. And after that, just proceed by clicking the next button to proceed to the next step. And now under Premium Service Package, it offers a range of additional features and services that enhance the LLC formation process. We have here business contract templates amounting to $150, in which you can get access to 25 plus high-quality legal documents, and also expedited filing service amounting to $50. And aside from that, you could also get the domain name, business, email address amounting to $40. And below it will show you other features it offers and benefits. And if you want to get all of those opportunity and benefits, just click Get Upgrade and Bonus button below here. But if you don't want to, you can simply click No thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. By clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on the next stage. And after that, from here, all we need to do is to simply enter or provide the members' information, starting by selecting the number of the members. For instance, we have here 4 members. By simply clicking the 4 number below here, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the members' information in here. But at this point, I'm going to enter here or select 1 and choose individual, and I'm going to select my name in here. And after that, just fill out all of the information including the street address, the city, state, zip code, and many more. So after filling out all of the required information in here, all you need to do is simply click the next button below here to proceed. And on this pop-up window, just select Use Entered. Or you could also re-enter your address if you want to. But at this point, I'm just going to use what I entered. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to load. Then you will be directed on this page under Registered Agent Information. And all you need to do from here is you can select either assign Bizee as your registered agent for free for 1 year, but if you also want to act as your own registered agent, you can do so. However, in those options, I'm going to select to assign Bizee as my registered agent for free for 1 year. And below here, I will show you other kind of benefits it included. And now to proceed, after selecting, just click the next button below here. And upon clicking on it, from here we will be able to be directed on this page, in which from here all we need to do is simply enter our tax identification number information. But if you're also a foreign individual and do not have a social security number, you can simply click the yes button in here. And in this pop-up window, just click agree, which also indicates that you are not a citizen of the United States and you've never been issued a social security number. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to fill out your first name, your last name, and other details in here, including the physical address, your street address, zip code, country, and many more. And after filling out all of the required information, from here, just click the next button to proceed again. Now moving on to the next step under setting up a small business banking. From here, you could also separate your personal and business finances, ensuring the protection of personal assets under the limited liability protection provided by the LLC. And as you can see in here below, you could also see the application, which is Relay, that you could also install. But if you're interested, you could simply click yes, I'm interested to click or to start installing this application. But if you also want to skip this part, you can simply click below button which says ask me later. But at this point, I'm going to skip this one, so I'm going to click ask me later. And upon clicking on it, we will also be directed on the next page in here, in which under tax strategy. From here, you can learn how your LLC is taxed, how to choose proper IRS, tax election, and many more. So if you're interested, you can simply click the yes button or selection in here. And after that, just proceed by clicking the next button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we will also be directed on the next tab. And under business license and permits, you have here the option to choose yes, I identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications, but you must have to pay $99 in here. Or you can click no thanks, I'll do the work myself, and just proceed by clicking the next button to proceed. And now upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply check all of the details that you just inputted here, including the formation info, the contact info, agent info, company info, business tax consultation, tax info, and many more. And if all of those info are now correct, just proceed by clicking the next button below here. And after that, finally, under billing information, all we need to do is to complete and pay in order to successfully setting up or create our LLC for our limited liability company. And upon clicking on it, from here, you could also select your billing or payment method. We have here PayPal or credit card. While on the right side panel, it will show you the total amount that you need to pay, which is total amounting to $404. And after paying for that amount, you'll now be able to start creating your own LLC company. So that's just basically how you can use Bizee to start an LLC. Thank you.